Muckle have supported us in a range of different areas, such as changes to our Articles of Association. They've also supported us in terms of firming up agreements with third-party contractors, in some cases sponsorships or partnership agreements as well, just making sure that those finer details are well taken care of. So real value-added stuff.
Our client base tends to cover a wide range of organisations, from national governing bodies such as the FA, England Athletics, to professional clubs and intermediaries and agents. We advise clients both regionally and UK-wide. We cover all aspects of sport, right from the top of the professional game down to grassroots. So we do cover a huge range of issues, from the governance of clubs to how they raise their money, how they trade, how they operate, play issues, registration issues, regulation issues.
We've gone through a period of change over the last 4 or 5 years as an organisation, reviewing the relationship between our local governance structure and the national governance structure and the interaction between the board. So I think the guidance that Muckle have offered us in that area has been absolutely imperative and has helped to take us to the position we find ourselves in now. I think any organisation is only as good as its people. You can have a very robust strategic plan that looks good on paper. You can have nice offices, a good environment to work in, but if you haven't got the people to really translate the office and the plan on paper into action, then I think you really struggle.
As and when needed, we do involve lawyers from a range of other legal disciplines such as employment, property and construction in particular. It means you get specialist advice from specialist lawyers who have a very sound understanding of their work discipline.
Our values are pride, integrity and inclusivity, and those are 3 things that we hold very dear to ourselves as an organisation, and we found that Muckle certainly complement those values, and the personable approach is really important.
I would like to think that we give straightforward, plain English advice to clients. If I was in their shoes, I would want to be able to implement on a practical level the advice that had actually been given. I do think it's important that we explain what the issue is for the client to address and how they can actually address it.
Muckle provide high quality service, a personable approach, a tailored approach, a friendly approach and value for money.